We're here at the Penn State Health Rec Fest event. It's our second annual event. And it's really an exposition for the community, but for persons with disabilities to have exposure to recreation and sport, and a number of the resources and opportunities that are available to us throughout Penn State Harrisburg, the Harrisburg community, but as well the larger community.
It's an opportunity to bring sports and adapted recreation to those with disabilities, as well as to share those resources with able-bodied people, and really to give back to the community.
I think it's very good for people with disabilities to come and learn about all the things that they can do. They've shown me a whole new world to things that I didn't think I'd ever be able to do again.
They're excited that they get a chance to try the equipment out. They're excited, I mean, the smiles on their faces, you can just see it. I mean, they glow.
Great venue to be able to bring lots of different folks from different disciplines, all with a similar passion to help people with disabilities fully engage in life.
What I'd like people to know about RecFest is that we're here and to encourage the whole community to get out and support and increase that participation, the awareness for the need for adaptation sports.
I think visionary-wise, we see an opportunity to have RecFest across every Penn State campus in the state, as well as to be able to network with other organizations.
All of us have a chance to give back to the community, and we would love for the community to recognize opportunities to give back to folks around them.
I learned stuff, I got to try stuff, I got to continue trying things that I had tried before, you know, get even better at them, so it was pretty fun.
It's not always blood, it's who you have in your heart. And Penn State Rehab is a new part of my heart.
This really is making sure that people with disabilities can live that everyday life and can really be a part of the community. So I would encourage anyone who can to help sponsor this event next year. It's an amazing event.